Hi guys, what's up? It's Jordan. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Ew, that was so gross. I can't believe I did that. Okay, anyways, moving on from my cringeworthy self. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial and outfit inspiration. I know Valentine's Day is like 2 weeks away, 2.5 weeks away. I don't really know. But I was just kind of like inspired to do makeup. I saw Nicole Guerrio's video and I was like, I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup look. Holy shit, I feel like James Charles, I'm talking so fast. So we're just gonna get right into the makeup first and foremost. I'm going to start by using a lip scrub. This is the Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. For Valentine's Day, you want your lips to be soft and fresh and kissable. So I just take a little bit and I'm just going to rub it on my lips, but I can't really talk about doing it, so. Oh god. Okay, once I rubbed it in enough, I'm just going to wipe it off. And then once it's wiped off, apply lip balm. Of course. Now I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer and put that all over my face. I love this primer. I feel like it makes my makeup look really, really smooth, even though I have like some acne on my face. Okay, now while I'm waiting for that to like settle in my face, I'm going to do my eyebrows. If I can find my eyebrow brush, then I will do my eyebrows. I have way too many brushes. Holy, there's my eyebrow brush. Okay, so I take the Anastasia Dip Brow pomade. Honestly, okay, since I dyed my hair, I think this color is too dark for me, but it's fine. We're gonna roll with it and just do our eyebrows. But I'm gonna like be back after I do my eyebrows because truthfully, I don't know how to do them. So, okay, so I just went ahead and like cleaned up my eyebrows after filling them in, and they look kind of crazy because like the shade doesn't really match me, but it's fine. Yeah, so we're gonna move on to foundation now, and I'm gonna use the Armani Power Fabric Foundation. This one is my absolute fave. It's my holy grail foundation. I'm not even kidding. It lasts a really long time, which is what we want on Valentine's Day. Oh god, I hate myself too. Don't worry, you don't have to say it. I hate myself too. So I'm just gonna, I put that on the back of my hand and then use a beauty blender and just kind of work. Yeah. Oh my god, my back hurts so fucking much. I don't know why. Okay, now that the foundation is on and blended, I'm gonna conceal my face. I'm using the ColourPop. Oh wow, the labeling has been taken off. I'm using the ColourPop concealer. I'm in the shade Fair 5. I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes and down my nose. Oh fuck. Well, we'll make that work too. Okay, now I'm just going to blend this out and hit you up when I'm done. Okay, so now that my concealer is blended out, I'm going to set everything with translucent powder to make sure that our face doesn't get oily, nothing moves. It can last throughout the entire date and rest of the night. I have to stop doing that, I'm really sorry. So I'm using, okay, sorry, I took the lid off already, but I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect translucent powder. I really like this one. It has like a brightening effect. So, I don't know, it's really good. I like it a lot. But for myself, I have to go back in and blend out the creases underneath my eyes because I have hella creases under my eyes. And I don't want to like set the creases, you feel me? Okay, so now I'm just taking some powder. And we're gonna... And I don't like bake, I kind of just press the powder into the skin with my sponge, like this. Then I take it on my nose and forehead and then like beside my nose. And then that's the only places that I use translucent powder. Everywhere else, I use this powder that I'm using the mirror of. It's the All Nighter setting powder from Urban Decay. It's just the translucent pressed one, and I just put that all over my face with a big fluffy brush. This one here. So I'm just going to do that. All I taste is peaches. I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow now, because then if there's like fallout, I can clean it up still and not have to worry about the blush and the bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna go in with this palette today. I'm gonna do a really simple eye look that's just kind of like pinky, nudie, mauvey, whatever. And just keep it simple because you don't want to do like too much for Valentine's Day because you just want to feel you know? You want to feel like you. Oh, I didn't set my eyelids. Oh, fuck, I didn't put anything on my eyelids. Okay, first, put concealer on your eyelids. Do that first. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I know everybody's like moved past the concealer for eyeshadow primer and is onto the P. Louise base stuff, but like your girl ain't got money for that, so I'm still on the concealer flex. So okay, now that's done, we can actually move on to the eyeshadow now. I don't set my eyeshadow either, but I'm gonna go into, wow, this is powdery. Oh god, I set myself up for failure here. So I'm going to go into Tempera in the palette, which is this color right here, and just kind of like put that in the crease, but also all over as a way of like setting it, but like not actually, you feel me? So after that, I'm going to go into this Dusty Rose shade that is right here, this one right here, and I'm going to put that like in the crease, but also kind of like put it on the lid as well. Because I'm kind of just doing like a one shade. You'll see what's happening. Okay. So I'm going to take this Morphe E27 brush. It's perfectly clean, like there's no previous eyeshadow on it, and I'm just going to kind of like really buff it out so it's really blended and really kind of like blown out. So I'm just going to start at the edges and kind of like blend the edges into the rest of my eye. And then I'm just going to go like back in as much as I need until I'm happy with the color payoff. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to do the other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that, oh my god, I have purple all over my hand. Gross. Okay, so now that that is done, it's literally just like one shade, but like I kind of like the way it looks. But now that we have like that all done on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and actually finish my face makeup and then go back to the eyes, because there was like a little bit of fallout here. You probably can't even see it because it's like that little, but so I'm gonna go and just kind of like take this, my translucent powder, the Urban Decay one, and just kind of re-go over parts of my face. I'm going to take this to the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow palette, and I'm going to take the bronzer and just going to bronze up my face. You kind of have to really go in with this one. And I'm taking the Morphe M523 brush to do this. Okay, so I'm bronzed up. I felt like it was good for this video because it's like nice and natural. But yeah. So once you're all bronzed up to your own liking, it's time for blush. I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild blush. This is in the shade Pearlescent Pink. It just looks like this. It kind of has a gold sheen to it, which also I thought was really nice for a nice Valentine's Day makeup look, just because it'll give you even more shimmer. It's really, really nice and pink, which I love. So I'm just going to take it. Oh my god, that's it. Holy shit, that's a lot. I'm going to take it on an angled brush and just put it on the apples of my cheeks and make my face look really nice and pink. That's it for the blush. I don't go too heavy-handed with blush because I don't want to look like a clown. Now that I have like the powders on my face, I'm going to set it with the All Nighter setting powder just to kind of let them sink into my face. Now that I have the setting spray on and my face is a little bit tacky and wet for the highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Nicole Guerrio Glow Kit with Anastasia. I'm going with this one because it has a lot of pink highlights. So I'm going to mix, what's it called? Kitty Cat and Forever Young. These two right here because these are like the most pink shades in the palette. And I also just really like them. They're really pretty. So I'm taking that on my Morphe M501. Okay, so I'm editing this right now, and I realized my camera did not record me putting on the highlighter or putting eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So gonna explain really quick. I put the highlighter on here and here, on my nose, up here, and then on my chin, and then I just took the Dusty Rose color on like a smaller brush and put it on my lower lash line and kind of blended it up into the outer corner, and then went ahead with mascara, and the video continues. Okay, well, my camera wasn't recording, but I went ahead and did mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So now the face is done. We just have lips left. And for lips, I'm just going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb because it's the perfect pinky color and it's just like a really nice, simple gloss. So, yeah. And then we're going to do one final spritz with the setting spray. And that is the makeup look completed. So this is the makeup look I have. I'm going to go put on the outfit and then I'll be back. This shirt, this white like one off the shoulder shirt, this is from Misguided. And the jeans that I'm wearing, they are from Urban Outfitters. And then the shoes that I'm wearing, these are just the Chelsea boots. They are from Softmock. Yeah, that is it for my Valentine's Day kind of makeup tutorial, outfit inspo, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got inspo from this, you're welcome. Have so much fun on your Valentine's Day dates, ladies and gents. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.